GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Get up to 10% instant cashback offer on Vivo V30e. Pre-book now.
I don't know फिर पहली फिल्म के बाद जो खुशी होती है वो कैसी होती है बिकॉज आई वॉज क्राइंग एंड डीलिंग विद मैनी अदर थिंग फॉर सुशांत पीपल लव दैट फिल्म there were so many other reasons also because Sushant and so I said ki film belong to now Sushant. I recently lost my mother a year ago and I now remember my mother with Sushant.
Oh God.
Because me, my mother and Sushant used to eat together. Even when they're alive also we should not talk about negative anymore. Why you you all karma will bite you अगर आप जो भी किसी के साथ बुरा करते हैं. I think everyone remember Sushant with a good thing. I think
When you were casting for Kai Puchi, there was Angad Bedi, Ayushmann Khurrana, so many people.
Vijay Verma,
How-
Angad
yeah.
Bedi, Ali Fazal, Ayushmann Khurrana. I remember I keep seeing their old audition. Like Vijay Verma also a great actor, but Sushant was a little better. Most of the people who made it big are outsiders.
Yeah.
From Ayushmann Khurrana to Karthik to Rajkumar to Kriti to Sanya to Huma Qureshi to Vinny Jadi, Vijay Verma, Pankaj Tripathi, Tamanna Bhatia, Manal Thakur, they are all outsiders. You can't ignore them. You can't ignore Ranbir Kapoor performance or Alia Bhatt performance. When you see a weak actor getting a chance, then people talk about nepotism. And during Animal ke time pe, the Chamkila was never in the scene also. I don't know why people are connecting this with Chamkila and Animal. Animal was like 3 years ago, this is like a 1.5 year ago. So you're getting so many offers for films and shows. And I feel so happy कि पिछले 1.5 साल से she was not doing anything. So now she's back in the game.
Each time I watch a movie and think in my head, there's no other actor who could have played this part better. I just know in my mind that there is only one incredible man behind the casting of it. And when I watched Chamkila recently, that's exactly what was going on in my head. And today I'm so honored that casting director Mukesh Chabra is joining me for an incredible conversation only on Galata India. Hello sir, how have you been?
Very, very, very good. Thank you so much for introducing me in such a nice way. Very happy. Yeah.
You're most welcome. No, you know, that's exactly what happened when I was watching Chamkila because when initially we got to know that it's Diljit and Pariniti, there was so much chatter about it.
Yeah.
Ki, you know, more so because of Pariniti, because sort of Pariniti का ये एक वो होता है ना comeback kind of a project
Yeah.
कि ये होने वाला है, and there were so many people who were like, how are they going to look good together? क्या होगा? You always have this conviction when you cast. And even the oddest of pairs, you make them look like no one could have done it better. How was the process like for this one?
I think credit goes to Imtiaz Ali. He was very, very, very clear on this film. He was very, very, very focused and dedicated. He wanted मैं किसी भी even for the smallest part मुझे गलत नहीं जाना है. I think for Diljit and Parniti we were very clear. I think we discussed everyone's name. कि कौन पर है, कौन बेटर है, कौन बेटर है, कौन बेटर है. I think we were so focused this time. I think Diljit and Parniti were bang on for this part. And of course, you know, सब लोग बात करते हैं कि क्या casting है, क्या हो. तो there are so many people because without जब तक कुछ होता नहीं है, people always talk about everyone. I think now when they saw the film, they said, wow. I think Diljit से better और Parniti से better वो casting नहीं हो सकती थी. चमकीला की.
Diljit, you know, when I had just started my journalism journey, I had interviewed Diljit, and it was a telephonic, and he had told me that forever, like never ever, for any role will I remove my turban.
Correct.
मैं कभी नहीं करूँगा ये. And that when I heard, I was like, okay, you know, that takes a lot of dedication to say that because तुम बहुत सारे parts miss कर
Yes,
सकते हो because of
yes.
this. How did you manage to convince
I think this
him?
was Imtiaz Ali's magic. I think the story was so he moved by the story. I think and when he heard the story, he was very, very, very happy. And of course, he knows how Chamkila look was. So he also agreed. He also thought about it. He spent few more days with him before he, you know, सब होना चाहिए, very important. I think story was so interesting. I think कोई actor सोचेगा to कि नहीं करना. I think we're very, very, very clear. Though I took the chance and came out really beautifully, and people also loved him now more because the way he did that film.
Correct.
Yeah.
You know, there was this phase where Pariniti was earlier in Animal, and when she left it, there was chatter about ki she has left it for Chamkila. And she recently told in an interview that
That's
people,
nothing to do with Chamkila.
yeah, but she recently told in an interview that, you know, when I signed Chamkila, people called me mad. And people who are from the industry, and now when I look at her performance as Amarjot, I feel there's no one.
You know, so many people ask us also, yeah, why not me, why not me, why not me, why not me? So many people, so many female actors also ask us also. I think she did a she was perfect with the cast and she did a really 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 good job. I think वो सब लोग बोलते हैं. And during Animal के time पे तो चमकीला was never in the scene also. I don't know why people are connecting this with Chamkila and Animal. Animal, which like 3 years ago, this
Yeah.
is like a 1.5 year ago. I think बहुत discussion. I don't want to comment on that because that was two different films. I think Punjabi hai. She looked very real. She looked very real. She can also sing. So who can pull off better than Parineeti? You can tell me.
I cannot tell you.
Yeah,
That's
because-
what my intro was, that I can't, because once you watch someone in
That
that
is
role,
why
you
it's
can't.
always say the perfect casting.
Yeah.
That is why you spend a lot of time on thinking
Yeah.
rather than just randomly auditioning people. It's very important for you to spend time with the script, sit with the director, so you come up with more options.
Yeah. She also put on quite some weight for
Yes.
it, and she had no hesitation about it. She was like, I was at my fittest when this
Correct,
film was
correct.
offered to me. Again, that takes a lot of dedication as an actor.
See, जब आपको लगता है ना कि this film can change your life,
Yeah.
you give your 100%. कोई मोटिवेट करने वाला फिल्म जो रोल चाहिए जो आपको मोटिवेट करे कि आपको ऐसा दिखना है. You know, it's very 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 important. वो जो फिल्म ऐसी होनी चाहिए जिससे आपको लगे कि यार this is the film I can show it to people that I am here. And she did that. Now she's getting so many offers. Even I'm talking to her a few days ago also, she's getting so many offers for films and shows. And I feel so happy कि पिछले 1.5 साल तक she was not doing anything. So now she's back in the game. It's a great feeling.
Of course, you know, Amar Singh Chamkila is a story about a man
Hmm.
who gave his all to singing,
Yeah.
but it also is about their pair, his bond with Amarjot, how they create magic
Yeah.
together. Did you have that conviction since day one that Diljit ke saath Parineeti will fit, or did you audition more people
No,
with
we
Diljit?
didn't audition any more people. I think,
Wow.
and the good thing about Imtiaz, na, when he's clear, he's clear. Even for the smaller part, when he's fully clear, he will say, "मुझे मिल गया, side में कर दो." So he will not unnecessarily start asking for extra 10 option. No, he will say, "मुझे मिल गया, let's move on to the next one." I think, and also me and Imtiaz really get along well because spent 15 years together on every film. So I think he was very 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 clear about Diljit and Parineeti.
Were they auditioned though?
No.
No. Okay. One interesting thing that I wanted to ask you is, when today you want to cast an actor and you want to audition them, do they get uncomfortable?
No, with me, of course not. But I always say कि वो film के लिए अगर important है,
हाँ.
like if you request them कि please you have to do this because director want to see how you're doing it, because it's all about the character, not about your acting caliber. If you because you're good, that is why we're calling you for an audition.
Yeah.
पर आप उस पार्ट में फिट होता है या नहीं होता है ये विजुलाइज करने में कुछ डायरेक्टर विजुलाइज कर लेते हैं कुछ नहीं करते. टोटली डिपेंड ऑन द फिल्म टू फिल्म एंड डायरेक्टर टू डायरेक्टर. Some people still audition for a big director. It's fine.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong in it. I don't see any ego clashes. Ki, why should I audition now? But there are actors who are very comfortable auditioning also in today's time also.
It could be tricky as a casting director to say no to someone who has made a name for himself or herself. How do you manage to do that? Because when I look at you, I see everyone has only good things to say about you. So they have no this, as you said, ego clash ki isne mujhe mana kiya.
I think when you keep things very clear with each other, I think they will respect you more. Rather than give them fake hope or give them a wrong information, just say that you're not right for this part. Trust me, don't waste your time and my time.
Yeah.
It's not going to look nice. जब आप बहुत clearly लोगों से बात करते हो ना, it always helps. And your relationship will also be remain same.
You know, there was a phase in Bollywood where a lot of people, I know it's wrong to term or tag people, but ऐसा बोला जाता था लोखंडवाला में सिर्फ actors रहते हैं, and there was a certain look that you had to be. Today all those lines are
I've
blurred.
changed that. I took me so many years to change that कि actor का look से कोई लेना देना नहीं. अच्छा actor होता है.
Yeah.
If you're a good actor, आप बहुत अच्छे लगोगे. If you're really good looking in a conventional way, if you can't act, nobody want to see you.
Correct.
So I think अभी तो ऐसा नहीं है. Actor तो हर जगह है. Why only लोखंडवाले? Because लोखंडवाले because it's close to the audition area. Most of the audition happen in Andheri and Juhu. That's why most of the actors stay close by. So they spend less money on travel and they can reach on time and they can afford the area. It's nothing to do with actor. Is it that we are literally auditioning everyone in Andheri? एंड एक्टर तो एक्टर ही होता है. आई थिंक वो जो अच्छा एक्टर होता है वो लोखंड वाला जो था कि जिम में एक जैसे लोग दिखते हैं, सिमिलर लुक के लोग दिखते हैं, ऐसा नहीं होता है.
But you know, one more line that was blurred is, a lot of times it was said, these debates of nepotism, insider, outsider. If I look at you, you have given opportunities to so many people who are not related to any film family. So as a casting director, what is going on in your head? Because I'm sure you were
I
just
actually avoid that discussion. I tell you,
Yeah.
even in fact, right before you were
Yeah.
talking to Hamman also, कि most of the people who made it big are outsiders.
Yeah.
From Ayushmann Khurrana to Karthik to Rajkumar to Kriti to Sandhya to Huma Qureshi to Vinny, Jaydeep, Vijay Verma, Pankaj Tripathi, Tamanna Bhatia, Manal Thakur, they are all outsiders. When जब हम weak होते हैं, we start noticing nepotism. And of course, there are so many good actors जो film family से हैं, they're great.
Yeah.
You can't ignore them. You can't ignore Ranbir Kapoor performance or Alia Bhatt performance. When you see a weak actor getting a chance, then people talk about nepotism. But most of the people who are made it big in this industry are outsiders.
What, according to you, today when you look back, was your riskiest casting?
Riskiest casting, I would say, like Dangal was a difficult one. चार लोगों को ढूंढना very 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 difficult. And Super 30, find those 30 kids were a little difficult. And that Kai Poche, तीन नए लड़के उस टाइम पे लाना. And of course there's so many films and shows, but and the Bajrangi Bhaijaan के Bunni was also very difficult to find that one kid जिसकी पूरी फिल्म टिकी हुई है. When you already have a Salman Khan new film, उसके साथ में you have to find this one little girl. The film is all about her.
I remember you recently said when you were casting for Kai Pochi, there was Angad Bedi, Ayushmann Khurrana, so many
So
people.
many people. Vijay Verma,
How-
Angad
yeah.
Bedi, Ali Fazal, Ayushmann Khurrana. I remember I keep seeing their old audition. I feel so. I said, अरे ये भी था, ये भी था, ये
Yeah.
भी था.
But how do you man? Because today when I hear these names, I'm like, all of them are so good. How do you believe your instinct so much?
Because I believed in the script and the character. Like Vijay Verma, also a great actor, but Sushant was a little better for that character, for Ishan. You know, it's very important. You have to be very true to the script and the character. And they all made it big. जो भी काय पोची में ऑडिशन दे रहे थे, they all made it big because they were great actors. That's why they were in shortlisted
Correct.
gang. So, but you have to true to the script, true to the character.
Whenever you are casting someone who's sort of new, okay, there are so many names, even Kriti and Sushant, Rajkumar, Mrunal, so many names that come to my mind when I think of you and your casting. Do you feel it's sort of also a risk on your shoulders? Because what if it doesn't work out?
Yes. I feel जब तक वो film release नहीं होता, I just want people to like them.
Yeah.
You know, as a father, when you see them on stage, it's the same responsibility I feel कि यार लोग चल जाएं, इनको लोग पसंद करें, because we found them, we spent so many months, you know, so very important. So like I feel so happy when I see Rajkumar doing so well or Mrinal Thakur doing well or so many people doing well. We feel so happy.
Of course.
Yeah, अगर वो नहीं चलते तो डर लगता है. So many actors we found. I really wish Avinash Tiwari should now blow up. Like how Tripti Dimri is doing well. We found so many years ago. Now she got her due. Like Avinash Tiwari is such a great actor. We just want कि he just उनका career just start हो जाए बस. They should also make it big.
Apart from casting, I think you are a very, very sensible filmmaker, because I have watched Dil Bechara, and that's an emotional film for everyone, for of course reasons we all know. But I remember when that film released and I had to review it, and I just couldn't, because how can you review a film? I felt it's just unethical to do that. So we didn't do that. We just watched the film, wrote good things about it because I genuinely liked it. Today, when I see you talk about Dil Bechara, you tell very honestly that I don't feel it was my first film,
Yeah,
because I don't want to
because-
take the credit. Why do you feel so?
Because you know what happened with the film and with Sushant. Of course, people loved that film. There were so many other reasons also, because Sushant and this. So I said कि film belonged to now Sushant. When people say film did so well, Hotstar का crash हो गया, तो I don't feel happy about it, because I don't know फिर पहली फिल्म के बाद जो खुशी होती है वो कैसे होती है, because I was crying and dealing with many other things post Sushant. So I don't know how to feel happy about the film. That's why मैंने पहली फिल्म बनाई नहीं, मुझे पता ही नहीं, because after every film people celebrate
Yeah.
the success. I've never done that, so I don't know. So I always say that मुझे तो पता ही नहीं कैसा होता है after first film. That's why I always say that अभी तो मुझे पहला फिल्म बनाना है, वो सुशांत की फिल्म थी, सुशांत की रहेगी और हमेशा सुशांत की रहनी चाहिए.
You know, a lot of things were said about Sushant, but whoever's close to him has always spoken that हम उसको सिर्फ अच्छी चीज़ों से याद रखना चाहते हैं.
हाँ, वो अच्छी चीज़ों से याद रखना चाहिए सबको. I recently lost my mother a year ago, and I now remember my mother with Sushant,
Oh God.
because me, my mother
Yeah.
and Sushant used to eat together. Morning breakfast में कभी कभी जब वो यहाँ होता था तो he would always कि मम्मी के हाथ के आलू के पराठे खाने हैं. तो now I see my mother is not there, Sushant is not there. I want to remember that feeling. Why should I say? Because I think कि we should remember everyone with only about good things. मैं उसी को believe करता हूँ that let's not talk about negative about anyone.
Yeah.
Even when they're alive also we should not talk about negative about anyone. Why you all karma will bite you अगर आप जो भी किसी के साथ बुरा करता है. I think I just want to remember Sushant with a good thing. I think first person who said yes to my film without even reading the script. He promised me many years ago that whenever you make your first film, I will be the part of it. And he did that. Who does that in Bollywood in today's time? Without reading a script that I'm doing a film. So ये only the good human being can say like that.
बोला जाता है कि अच्छे लोगों के साथ हमेशा अच्छा ही होता है, बट समटाइम्स व्हेन आई look at the industry that we are a part of, both the film industry and the media industry, I feel कि ज़्यादा भी अच्छा नहीं होना चाहिए. कभी कभी मुझे ऐसा पर्सनली भी लगता है कि यार कभी कभी बुरा होना चाहिए. आपको लगता है अच्छा ज़्यादा भी होना थोड़ा अपने लिए बुरा होता है इस
हाँ
इंडस्ट्री
मुझे
में?
भी after I think now you're saying it I always feel that I always said my mother was the best human being. So simple, no tantrum, no problem, कभी कोई tension नहीं दिया. वो इतनी जल्दी क्यों चलेगी? I think you're now making sense when you're saying it and I can now actually believe what you're saying कि that कितना अच्छा होना चाहिए इसकी डिग्री नहीं है ना. वी डोंट नो कि किस हद तक अच्छा होना है. या तो आप अच्छे होते हो या बुरे होते हो. कि मैं 10% अच्छा हूँगा या 20% अच्छा हूँगा. यू कैन measure the goodness in you. You just have to live with it. Either you're a good human being or you're not. There's no 10% or 20% of it.
No, I'm sure about that. But despite that, any plans of making another film as a
Yes.
director?
Yeah, not this year for sure, but next
Okay.
year 101%. I said I'm an actor, I'm a producer, I will have a script.
Yeah.
I'm working on one script. अगर सब अच्छा होता है तो obviously I'll make my next film next year.
Lovely. You know, when we talk about the kind of work we are in, बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है कभी कभी समझना who actually is your friend from the film industry and who's just around you just for their benefit.
No, you get to know now.
You get to know.
Yeah, I get to know. I have so many good
You have
friends
so
who-
much experience
Yeah, I have so
now.
much experience. I know so many. I know
Huh.
who to trust.
Huh.
I know when to call Farah Khan. This
Huh.
is very close to me. I know Kriti very close to me. I know
Huh.
Rajkumar very close to me. I know Ayushmann is very close to me. I know Sajiba very close to me. I know my people
Yeah.
really well.
You know, recently Nayan did a fan fest with Kriti, and I think he spoke to you for the audio. And you know, when we saw that, we could feel that bond. And then, of course, Kriti spoke about your bond. She called you her brother. She also told that he's one of those people. अगर वो मुझे आके बोलेगा ना कि तू ये फिल्म में अच्छी थी, but शायद थोड़ी और अच्छी हो सकती थी. I will not take it to heart. I won't get hurt because I know if he's coming from a good space. Very few actors and filmmakers or casting directors have that relation. You recently also spoke about a phase where she was a bit hurt with you.
Yeah.
How did you make sure कि मैं वो सब ठीक कर दूं? क्योंकि कितने लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं कि ठीक है ना अभी खत्म तो खत्म.
Because I actually as a person I don't want to lose out on good people in my life. If I did something wrong, I will apologize. I don't feel bad. I don't have an ego. So if I did anything जो सही नहीं था, I'll go to the person and say I'm sorry. I don't feel bad because I want them in my life दिल से. मैं सुपरफिशियल लेवल पे बिलीव नहीं करता. मेरे जितने भी दोस्त हैं वो जिनके साथ मैं लाइफ की बात करता हूँ, काम की बात करता हूँ, they are there दिल से. Because there are so many people you hang out but you don't share your feeling with everyone.
Yeah.
So I think I have very few less people in my life. I don't lose out on any of them. तो इस वजह से मैं I don't feel bad कि अगर मैंने किसी को, अगर मैंने कल को मैं फराह खान को भी हर्ट करूँगा, I will go to Farah Khan and say I'm sorry because I want them in my life. मैंने राजकुमार को बात नहीं करूँगा तो I will so to राजकुमार की I don't know. तो I will make sure if I'm very close to हंसल मेहता, I will go to हंसल मेहता अगर मैंने कुछ गलत किया. I want them in my life. I don't want to lose out on good people. Just because I'm an ego कि मैं जाके sorry नहीं बोलूँगा, it's okay. You can just go and apologize to people. It's absolutely fine.
I think that's exactly why your things with Anurag Kashyap was also sorted. Because you said that ऐसा नहीं है, he feels कि मैं उसकी casting में सुनता नहीं हूँ.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता. I think वो लोग misunderstand करने लोग बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं.
हाँ.
इस शहर में तो प्रॉब्लम है. Third person is creating more confusion between people. जबकि ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं. We two mature people can solve our problems. So we did that.
You know, I remember 2 films of yours that I would like to mention. One was Sanju and one was 83. when Sanju was releasing, I was 20 and I just entered the industry, and I didn't have a lot of idea, and people around me were constantly saying ye kaise karega, and it was up for release in 2018, I remember. And I was like, but when I'm looking at the posters, tab tak trailer shayad nahi aaya tha, I can see exactly why he has been cast, but a lot of people were not agreeing to that casting.
I think like you asked the same thing about Panditi also.
Yeah.
कि people will always say, we just have to wait and show them. They will say about, even if you say good or bad, they will still say. And Raju sir को was fully convinced. हम लोग को अपनी conviction के आगे beat नहीं करना चाहिए. Let people wait. Let people see and decide.
Was Ranbir also fully convinced?
Yes, fully convinced. He is hardcore Sanjay Dutt fan.
Yeah. He has posters of
कि
Sanjay
घर
in
पे
his
संजय
film,
दत्त के
na?
पोस्टर लगे
हाँ,
हैं, तो
in his
वो
room.
कैसे उसके साथ जस्टिफाई नहीं करता. वो इतना अच्छा एक्टर है, उसको कुछ भी दे दो, आप उसको संजय दत्त दे देते हैं, आप उसको कुछ भी दे दो, वो कुछ भी कर देगा.
Yeah. What about Ranveer in 83? How did that happen?
I think that's the long discussion. I came on board when Ranbir was already Singh was already there.
And you was fine with the casting?
Absolutely, he's also very hardworking, great actor. He
Yeah.
puts 100% in every performance. How hard he worked on his performance, even the body language, even the gesture, bowling action. You see the film, you see ki how small detail he worked on.
Today when I look at you and your work, you've been relevant for so many years, which is not very frequent because आपको अच्छा काम continuously करना पड़ता है.
Because I'm very insecure about my work.
Really?
Yeah, because I always feel कि जो मैंने film पहले कर दिया है,
हाँ.
people will not talk about that after 5 years. They will talk about Chamkila.
Exactly.
तो I make sure that मेरा चमकीला भी हो गया, what I'm doing right now is more important for me. Because जो लोग अपने काम को पुराने काम को बार बार repeat करते हैं, because they don't know how to be relevant. I don't talk about my previous work. I want to now move on to the next one and give my 100% on that one. That's why I'm insecure. I still work extra hard so that still remain like this.
Do you sometimes feel bad when you look at so many people who just want one chance from you?
I feel responsible also.
Yeah.
I feel कि यार वो बेचारे so many hopes, so many dreams. मैं एक ही उम्मीद करता हूँ, I wish I can cast all of them. Because very limited work and there are so many of them.
Yeah.
तो मैं बस मौका ढूंढता हूँ कि जितनी ज़्यादा शोज और फिल्म मुझे मिले ताकि I can start putting everyone.
Lovely. What do you think about the three Khans, because even they have been so relevant throughout?
Yeah, because they're great human beings and great actors and people love them so much. लोगों की दुआएं और blessing की वजह से people stay for that long.
Lastly, Mukesh, I want to also talk to you about so many experiences that people have. There is a lot spoken about casting couch experiences. As someone who's like the top casting director,
सबने सुना ही है.
हाँ, what?
I think
No, but
हम बचपन में हमको भी सुनते हैं.
सुना ही है, but I think you come across someone who is very responsible and who wants to always send out the good
I think
message.
you have to. I always say that कि हमने ये company खोली to make other people feel safe and comfortable about this industry. That's why we made this a professional system in this business. कि ऐसा ना हो कि casting is very 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 important department of film industry. यहाँ पे सिर्फ casting couch की क्यों लोग बात करते हैं? How we find talent, how we groom talent. Why we always immediately catch the negative side of it. जबकि ऐसा नहीं होता. बहुत मेहनत लगती है जॉब को यहाँ पे लाने में. Took us many years to convince people कि आओ, this is a very तभी तो so many people are coming. How many कहाँ से इतने सारे talented लोग आ रहे हैं? I think ये सब लोग ना सिर्फ बोल ही रहे हैं. You have to, आप खुद की responsibility लीजिए ना, why you putting on others? You have to find right people, you hang out with the right people, meet the right amount of people. I've been working with such great director. I've never heard anything like that.
Yeah.
So now I work with the best director of this country. Because I'm very well educated, I'm aware of people around me. I'm aware of people who are working. I've studied about them. So I will make sure that I don't get into the wrong hand.
What's the saddest part is sometimes people are falsely accused because of that revenge thing कि शायद किसी को reject
हाँ,
हो गया,
लेकिन
ये हो गया.
धीरे ये vendetta, revenge, fall ये सब तो चलता ही रहेगा. You can't stop that. कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई आदमी आपसे कहीं ना कहीं जल ही रहा होगा. So you can't stop that. You just have to keep working. You have to believe in your own karma and we have to believe in your work.
I'm sure. Lastly, before going, if I ask you one message for every aspiring actor who's watching you today, who respects you so much and just wants one chance, what would that be?
I just say that please focus on your craft and don't worry about your looks, don't worry about your gym, don't worry about any other thing, your skin, hair. Just focus on your craft and just be happy. अगर आप खुश रहेंगे तो आपको काम जल्दी मिलेगा, अदरवाइज बिकॉज देयर सो मच नेगेटिविटी ऑलरेडी there and it's an expensive city. Just be happy in the process and looking for work. That's all you just need. Just be patient. You don't know कि वो कल काम आएगा, 5 साल बाद काम मिलेगा, आपको मालूम नहीं। अगर आपके अंदर उतना पेशेंस है कि आप यहाँ पर रुक सकते हो with you know and you're happy in the process, then stay in this field. Otherwise, leave it.
I'll just end this conversation by saying that very few people that I have met who are filmmakers or casting directors are also so responsible and so logical when they talk. So thank you for this conversation. I'm
Thank you,
sure a lot
ma'am.
of people watching will take away something from this.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Mukesh Chhabra. You're watching me on Galata India.
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Get up to 10% instant cashback offer on Vivo V30e. Pre-book now.